That's what you missed on my last vlog.
Hey guys, so we packaging orders. I hope you guys can see. Well, let me lower the camera. I'm gonna lower the camera, guys. So he ordered. I said he. I can't even speak. Hold on, I'm messing up. Let me start over. So this is our newest arrivals, and so I'm just placing an order for this and another bag. So I'm about to just make sure I package it perfectly. This is actually a big order, and I'm so grateful. I'm grateful for anyone who places this in the order. It's 2 purses and 2 dresses. Oops. So tomorrow morning I'm going to ship it and then head to work. And yeah, of course I'm gonna take you guys with me because I show you guys everything I do. So since this order is so big, I have to ship them in the UPS boxes. Ooh, this is not it. Okay, my mom's right here. Thank you. She's going to fix it. And this is the other bag. And these are so freaking cute. I'm in love with these. Of course, I got one for myself. What's different than how I did it? Hold on. Here, you might wrap this one too for me. Here. Yeah. Okay. All right. So she put it perfectly in the box. So you can take we can take these. You purchase these once you go to the post office. But this order is so big, I'm gonna use the large box. I don't know exactly the price. I think it's like $20 for this one. I think. We don't have any tape, huh? It's okay. I'm gonna use their tape. I'm gonna use when I get there. Okay. Should we put the dresses down first? Okay. The dresses, please. Thank you. Okay, not my weave. I love keeping everything in the package. This is one dress. No package for that. I like this dress. If I have a picture, I haven't actually had a photo shoot with this dress. Not with this particular one, but you want to fold it or here? That's good. Okay. You good. So I'm put it in here. Should I just put it on here?
Or just put it inside the white one.
Okay. You guys see Shakespeare down here? This is my child. You don't think it's gonna stain it? It's okay. I'm just not gonna put it one. Life. This is what we deal with all the time. It's fine. It's still in here like this. It's fine. Wait. Where's the other box at? Oh, right there. Okay. Dang, this is like, it's tight. It's a little tight in there. It's a little tight. Alright. Okay. Oh, okay. Perfect.
Both boxes in there? Both.
Mm-hmm. And of course, everyone gets a goodie bag, says thank you, coupon codes, and all that in there. Boom. You think it fit in a medium?
Close the box.
This is large.
Oh. That fits perfect.
Yeah. Oh no. It's actually a little, a little tight in here too.
It's supposed to seal here.
Let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay. I'm proud. I don't know. Okay, hold on. It's fine. I'm just gonna tape it really nicely. Because the motto is if it fits, it ships. gotta lay it down. Remember shit like this. All right. Okay, guys. So it is packaged. Okay, so this thing is packaged and is ready to ship. So tomorrow we're gonna ship this back. Okay. So tomorrow morning we're gonna ship it. Good morning. So just made it to the post office. I packaged this order last night and we're about to ship it. Today is gonna be a simple day. I just have to work. This is the package. I'm holding it because I don't have any duct tape. I'm gonna use their tape. Oh my gosh. But all these are dirty. All these are dirty. Anyway, yeah, I just have to work. I have to work tonight. I'm probably not gonna vlog that much today. I'm hungry. I need to find something to eat. I don't have anything to eat at the house, so I don't know. I need to go to the grocery store. Well, yeah, let's go. Good morning. I have a strawberry acai in my sandwich. I'm addicted to these damn sandwiches. So I just finished my sandwich and I'm gonna drink my acai. I don't know what this is actually, but I have about 15 minutes before class starts. But I want to talk to you guys because I am so grateful. So if you guys are new to my page, you wouldn't know this, but me and my mom have an online business where we do pop-ups every week. And usually we're gonna get like one order a week. And don't get me wrong, I'm really grateful for that. I vlog. Every time we get an order, I vlog the whole process of us packaging and shipping it out. But this week, we have 10 orders. And I don't know where they came from. I don't know what happened. I'm not questioning it, but I am so grateful and so amazed. Like, it's so crazy. Like, but I am getting a little overwhelmed because, so one order she ordered is 10 items, but it's a custom order. So if you guys don't know, me and my mom also do a heat press, so we can make custom shirts. So that order is 10, and then I have, so actually it's more than 10. Well, it's 10 orders, but her order itself is 10 items. Everybody else have like 1 or 2 dresses, and it's, I don't know, I'm just so grateful. And I don't know, I feel like this is like the healthiest, wealthiest time that me and my mom is walking through. Like, it's so crazy because literally I'm just always consistent with just the one order. In my number. I need to switch the camera. But yeah, I'm just so grateful. And I'm gonna ship, I'm about to break it up in days because I do work and school, and, you know, it's a lot. So today after class, I'm gonna head home and then package 2 orders. And then tomorrow we're gonna work on 2 orders. So that's how me and my mom gonna break it up because, like I said, we have a busy schedule. I have midterms this week, and we have 2 pop-ups this weekend. So yeah. So I have to change the position of my camera. I don't know. It's a mess, but like I said, I only have about probably like 10 minutes now. Damn. So I just got home from class and it is so hot. I don't know why I have this long sleeves on. I need to take this off actually. So I'm about to package 2 orders and then run to the post office and then get back home and start on studying and doing homework. I have a paper due and midterms is this week. So what am I doing? Okay, let's do. Okay. My hair. I look a mess, but it's fine. This is how I look during the week. So the first dress, she ordered. This is one of our new arrivals. Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Oh, shit. Oh, this thing is sticky. Ooh. Bigger bag. This is not gonna fit. Hold on. So we have this size as well. She ordered 2 things. That's why I said it's not gonna fit. She ordered 2 things from us. And she ordered this. This is how it looks without the plastic. I love Coke bottles. I mean, I said Coke bottle. The Coke purses, and then inside it has a string. So freaking cute. So I have some bubble wrap. I'm going to wrap this with to the best of my ability. I probably should tape it, huh? Do I have any tape over here? Usually I have everything I need in this room. Give her some cute little samples. That's all I had in this house. Usually I have a lot. That's fine. All right. Hopefully I should have. Okay. This is gonna be a little more expensive. All right, so these 2 are ready to go. Oh shit.